Good day everyone, welcome back to Carlitos Adventure. And for today's video, we will be doing the 5th 10 km prep run ko para sa Hoka Midnight Run on July 19. Again, I joined the 10 km event. And today is July 7, Tuesday, 3:45 in the morning. So tara, samahan nyo ako. Alright guys, so ito yung usual stretching na ginagawa ko, and to be honest, at this time, nagmamadali na ako kasi nga late na ako nag-start, mag-uumaga na.
Okay!
Alright guys, so quick update sa aking progress para sa aking preparation sa 10 km run sa Hoka Midnight Run. Currently, I was able to run non-stop ng 1.8 kilometers. I think last time nasa 1.5 or 1.6 lang ako. So that's a progress. Another thing is that I was able to finish yung 3 kilometers ko, o yung first 3 kilometers ko less than 20 minutes. So I was able to finish it within 19 minutes. And then for the 10 km run, I was able to finish it at around 1 hour and 1 minute. So bumilis ako ng 3 minuto compared to sa best time ko last time, which is 1 hour and 4 minutes. So far I'm happy with the progress that I'm having. And currently, ang gagawin ko na lang is yung mga strengthening or pang build na lang na stamina or endurance ko. So ito na yung huling 10 km prep run na ang gagawin ko is talagang pang race time, o yung talagang ang goal ko is i-beat yung last time ko. Yung mga susunod run siguro I'm planning mga 3 kilometers lang para lang i-extend yung running ko ng non-stop. So I'm planning at least bago man lang mag-start yung 10 km run natin sa Hoka, at least minimum 2 kilometers kaya na natin i-sustain ng walang tigil.
Okay guys, so sa point na to, nagpapahinga lang ako, nakaupo lang ako, nagmumuni-muni, and inaantay ko na magbukang liwayway. Asukin si kulay blue na yung langit, so malapit na magkaroon ng araw nung natapos ako.
Yeah!
Alright guys, excited na ako for the Hoka Midnight Run. This will be my first fun run since 2010 or 2011. So, hindi ko alam kung anong i-expect. Hindi ko alam kung gaano kalaki na yung pinagkaiba ng fun run way back 2010 versus right now. And this will also be my first time natatakbo ng midnight talaga. Usually kasi may araw na pag tumatakbo, dahil nga ang mga sinasali ako dati is 3 kilometers and 5 kilometers. So yung starting time nun, umaga na. So I'm really excited. I hope kayo din, lalo na yung mga mag-a-attend ng Hoka Midnight Run. See you there mga tropa. So yun lang naman. I hope you like this video, and if you enjoyed it, please like and subscribe. Hit the noti bell. See you sa next video natin here sa Carlitos Adventure. Maraming salamat and have a great day.